Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will see how to solve question number 3 of exercise 5.1, chapter number 5, class 10 arithmetic progression. Um, okay, what is the question? For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Okay, very simple question. They have given us AP series. Okay, now we'll have to find what is the first term and the common difference. Okay, so for the same chapter, if you want to revise the concept and if you want to know what are the terms involved in this chapter, also if you want to know the how to solve question number 1 and question number 2, kindly refer my previous video. Okay, now let's get started with this question. So the first question series is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Now you should find what is the first term. So first term is denoted by A. So A is equal to 3. Okay. Now how to find D? Now I'll just write like this. So A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on. The series goes like this. So here it starts with 3, then second term 1, then minus 1, then minus 3. How to find D? So basically D is nothing but, so D, which is called as a common difference, is A2 minus A1. Just for learning purpose, I'm going to find, I'm going to take the next consecutive number also, or it can be A3 minus A2, or it can be A4 minus A3 also. Okay, the D value will remain the same since the given question forms the NAP. Okay, so D is equal to, so here A2 is 1, so 1 minus, then 1 minus 3 because A1 is 3, which is equal, and then A3 will be minus 1, then minus A2 is again 1. Okay, so how do I quickly will see how to find D value? So it's basically A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3 and so on. Okay, now the value for 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. Minus 1 will be minus 2. So here D value is equal to minus 2 and A value is equal to 3. This is the answer for first question. Okay, clear, easy. Okay, now moving on to the next one now. So the next question will be minus 5. So question number 2. So question number 2 is minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. Okay, 3 and 7. So A value here is minus 5, which is the first term. Now we will see how to find the value for D. So A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 is 5, then minus 1, then 3, then 7. Okay, so to find the D value, we will do A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. So A2 minus A1 is equal to, what is A2? A2 is minus 1 minus of minus 5. So that will be minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 4, positive 4. Or we can find it as A3 minus A2, which is equal to 3 minus, within brackets, minus 1, which is equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So for the final answer, A is equal to minus 5. Okay, and the common difference D will be 4 for this question. Fine, easy. Okay, moving on to question number 3. So question number 3. So question number 3 is fractions basically. Okay, so the given series, it's in the form of a fraction. So 1/3, then 5 over 3, then 9 over 3, then 13 over 3. Is it a finite or infinite one? Okay, so everything is an infinite one. Okay, this is also infinite series. And so on. Okay, here, so A will be the first term. So A is equal to 1 over 3. Okay, to find D, we will just write A1, A2, A3, A4, and A1 will be 1 over 3, 5 over 3, 9 over 3, or 13 over 3. Okay, so D value is equal to A2 minus A1, which is nothing but 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, so the LCM will be 3 and 5 minus 1 will become 4. Or we can also find D as A3 minus A2, which is which is equal to, what is A3 here? A3 is 9 over 3. So 9 over 3 minus A2 is 5 over 3. So LCM will be again 3. So 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, easy. So for this one, D value will be 4 over 3. So the final answer, A value is equal to 1 by 3 and D is equal to 4 by 3. So that's all. This is the final answer for question number 3. Okay, now moving on to question number 4. So question number 4 is, okay, question number 4 is in the form of a decimals now. Okay, so question number 4. So question number 4, the series is 0.6, comma, 1.7, comma, 2.8, comma, 3.9, and so on. Okay, so A value is equal to 0.6. Okay, and D value is equal to, so we'll just write separately A1, A2, A3, A4. So that will be 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. So how do I find D? So that will be A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. So D value is equal to A2 minus A1. So which is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6. So 1.7 minus 0.6, that will be 7 minus 6 will be 1. 0.1 minus 0 will be 1. So that will become positive 1.1. Or we can find D value as A3 minus A2 also. So A3 here is 2.8. So 2.8 minus 1.7. So what is 2.8 minus 1.7? So 8 minus 7 will become 1. 2 minus 1 will become 1. So again positive 1.1. So for this question, value of A will be 0.6 and D value will be 1.1. Okay, fine, clear, easy. Okay, so that's all. So in the next video, we will solve question number 4. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.